Hello everyone. Our topic for today is all about tautology, contradiction, and contingency. So when we say tautology, it is a statement that is always true. So kung babasihan natin yung truth table, so lahat ng mga values dun is dapat yung final answer is lahat true. So when we say contradiction, it is a statement that is always false. And when you say contingency naman, it is a statement that is neither tautology nor contradiction. So, sa contradiction, yung mga statement niya is lahat, ano, false. Kung sa truth table, lahat ng mga values ay false. Sa contingency naman, neither tautology nor contradiction. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya masasabi na tautology, hindi din siya masasabi na contradiction. In other words, mixed. Ano? Mixed yung mga values. Yung final answer is mixed. Bawa, may true, may false, may true, may false. Ganyan. Okay? So, how to construct a truth table? So, alam na natin ito, di ba? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so let us have here an example. Construct a truth table for P or the quantity not P and not Q. So, di ba, yung pag-construct niyan is gamitin mo muna yung 2 raised to n. So, 2 is constant and yung n is kung ilan yung variable na ginamit dito. So, since dalawa, so 2 raised to 2. Ibig sabihin, 4 rows. Ibig sabihin, sa unang proposition, dalawang true, dalawang false, di ba? Nalala niyo pa? Sa Q, isang true, isang false, isang true, isang false. Okay. So, kung ito yung babasihan natin na statement, so unahin muna natin isolve yung not Q. Solve muna natin yung not Q. Saka natin isolve yung P and not Q. Okay. So, dito, hindi na nila inisa-isa, yung paggawa ng column. So, ginaya na lang to. So, dito niya nilagay yung not Q. So, dito niya nilagay yung result. So, not Q. So, tingnan natin dito yung mga values. Since it is negation, so, kung true, magiging false. Kultaran lang. So, false. Since false dito naman sa not Q naging true. Since true, false, dito naman false, true. So, since nasolve na natin yung not Q, P and not Q naman. So, P and not Q. So, ito yung solution. So, si P and not Q, kinapi lang muna yung value ni P. Mula dito, kinapi dito, saka ito-solve yung N. So, yung magiging result na is, andito na. So, true, false. So, di ba sa conjunctions or saan, magtuturo lang pag pareho true. So, since ito lang yung nagpareho true, true, true. So, dito lang din mag-true. So, otherwise, false na lahat. Next, solve na natin. So, since na-solve na natin yung P and not Q, ito na yung result. Solve na natin yung not of this statement. Not. So, ito, so since false, magiging true lang. So, since true dito, magiging false lang. False, magiging true. So, false, magiging true. Simple lang, no? Okay. So, pagkatapos, since nasolve na ito, solve na ito lahat. So, si P naman or ito. Ano? Itong lahat. Okay. So, copy ulit si P dito para hindi mahirapan sa pag-solve. And then, yung result nito is ito. Yung result nito is ito. Diba? So, solve natin si or ang disjunction. So, true. Magto-true lang, di ba? Pag pareho or pag pareho true at mayroong true. Ano? So, in other words, magto-true lang basta may true. Pag walang true, false. So, true, true is true. True, false is true. Mayroong isang true, kaya true dito. False, true is true. False, true is true. Okay. So, since yung final answer niya, ito diba na yung final answer, yung last na sagot natin. So, since lahat ng true, so kung babasihan natin sa definition, ano ulit yun? Na yung statement that is always true, it is a tautology. No? Tautology yun. Lahat ng statement is true. So, we have here another example. So, tignan natin yung sagot dito sa final answer. So, since marunong na kayo sa pag-construct ng truth table, di ba? Tingnan natin yung final answers. Okay. So, ito, merong true, merong false. In other words, it is contingency. Mix, no? Hindi siya tautology, hindi rin siya contradiction. So, yung sagot niya is contingency. How about yours? So, dito, mixed din. So, therefore, contingency. Hmm? Kung lahat false, contradiction. Okay, so we have here another. Those statements are equivalent if they both have the same truth value for all possible truth values of the simple statements. Ano? So, equivalent statements have identical truth values in the final columns in their truth tables. So, the notation P is congruent or equivalent to Q. So, it is used to indicate the statements P and Q are equivalent. You know? So, we have here, so comparing not P or not Q and not P or Q, no? Are equivalent statements, no? Sensya na masakit yung ano ko, may sugat na naman yung ano ko, nauntog na naman sa baby. Okay, so construct truth tables and compare the results. The truth tables below show that, you know, have the same truth values for all possible truth values of their simple statements. So thus the statements are equivalent. no? So, sinulog niya. So, since yung value niya dito is false, false, true, false. Tapos yung dito naman is false, false, true, false. So, they are equivalent. So, dapat, pag isolve mo yung truth table, pareho dapat yung truth values nila. No? So, dyan ka lang masasabi na they are equivalent. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.